Hey guys, as y'all can see, we're back with the glow up. First thing is hair. I've been sick for the past like 4 days. I feel better. I started feeling better like Friday, but I still didn't go to work because I knew if I went to work I would feel worse because it was hella cold on Friday. I'm like, nah, I'm not going outside, so I might as well do my hair. Okay, we doing small / medium knotless. Honestly, the parts in the back is none of my business, so this didn't take me too long. And look at the ponytail, look how full it is already. It didn't take me too long to do this because I wasn't focusing on the parts in the back. So like if I would have focused on that, I would have been here forever. So I was like, fuck it, it don't matter if they straight, it don't matter. As long as the braids is braided and the hair don't come out, that's all that matters to me. Like, I don't give a fuck. So yeah, and like as you can see, I put my hair up. Okay. Boom. And I'm almost done. I just have to do the top part. I could wear a side part if I want it. But I mean, I'd never do that, but yes, like I'm so happy. Like this is the hair I'm using. I bought this hair from this website. I'm gonna put it in the link below. I bought 5 packs of this hair because I just always buy way more hair than I need, because I'm just like, I'd rather have too much than too little. I'm just now getting on the 2nd pack and this is all I have left in my hair. I'm just now opening the 2nd pack and this is all I have left. Like a tutorial, but I'll let y'all watch me do it. These are the French curl and this is 52 inches, so they stop like right above my butt, which is perfect. I think that's the perfect length. Like it's long, it's flat to my scalp. Like y'all see, like look at the pony. Look at the ponytail. It's cute, it's cute. But so, and also let me tell y'all what else I'm using. You know, I had a comb that looked like this. I also have a braiding rack, so I'm using that. That make it way easier. If you're doing your own hair, get a braiding rack. Do not like try to separate the hair. You need the braiding rack because it makes it way easier. You need a comb like this with this part right here so you can part. Do not get shine and gem. Do not do this. Do not get this. If you're gonna get a braiding gel, get like this, like the lock gel. But like this is like empty. I didn't use like everything in there. There's nothing left in there. So unfortunately I had to go back to Shine and Jam. But Shine and Jam has no hold. This shit, which one? This one is the yellow one. This one say extra hold. It has no hold. It's hella slippery. Right now I'm watching Black Mafia Family. I just started watching it. It says it's about to leave Amazon Prime in 4 days, so I'm like, the first season about to leave in 4 days, so I'm like, let me watch this, cause and this shit is good. I was missing out. Like I heard about the show from that video of the guy that played Big Meech walking into the girl house talking about, I can't help my cousin bring in the groceries. Bye. So as y'all can see, I finished my hair. We ate down. So next is the eyelashes. I'm gonna do that in a few. I'm hungry though. Like, I got some cleaning to do. I gotta clean up my room. I got hella hair on the floor and shit. But yeah, we did that. Period. I'm so happy. I started yesterday at 3 o'clock. I finished the first row at like 3:30. Oh yeah, we ate. I love my hair. I don't care. So now I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I'm not sure how long they're gonna last, but I just really want to get them done like really quickly before I have to go to work. So let's get started. Everything that I'm using down will be linked down below. I do use this eyelash kit by Alphonse, and my map is literally, I don't do like the super long ones. I probably just do 214, 212, 210, and the rest 10. So 214, 212, 210. Yeah. And like these ones have like 3 different like it's 3 different columns for 3 different types of like lashes. And I like using this one all the way to the right. These ones. I like the way these look. I want to show y'all how I, like, a lash fell off, so I'm about to put it back on. So I'm going to show y'all how I do that. I just take my same glue and bond and the tweezers. So I'm going to go in with the glue first, the bond. And I know exactly where it came out. It came out from this eye. So I'm going to lift it up and reapply some bond in that area. That's back on. I'm gonna just let it sit for a couple minutes. I'm gonna do my skincare. While it sit, I'm gonna do my skincare. Is it down for me? So now that I'm done my skincare, I'm gonna put on the seal. I always take off the excess. Good morning, guys. So I have my bonnet on. We being a little bit productive before I had to go to work. It's like 8:45. So it's the new year. So that means take down the Christmas tree, duh.